Goodly morning, goodly morning. We are back in another episode of Life in the Village. This morning we are out here in the mangroves to collect some firewood for the fundraising, the family fundraising that we're gonna have today. It's an event where some people from our family are gonna gather, and then we're gonna raise some money, so we have some family money in case some things that is needed that we need to use that money for, such as funeral or other family events. So today it's the fundraising, and here we are with Jekobe and Soqo to
Bula, welcome back to the
And brother, why do we collect firewood from the mangroves?
Mangroves. Okay. We collect firewood mangroves because the mangroves, if it's wet, still can burn.
Oh,
And it's different from other firewood. Other firewood will take time to get the pot hot. The mangroves in seconds get hot. Fast to cook the food because it's very hot.
and they also burn slowly, yeah? The wood,
Burn slowly, burn slowly, hot. Yeah? You can use it when it's heavy rain or if it's get wet. Still you can use it. Yeah, that is the good for mangroves.
Naka, brother. What are we gonna do after this, brother?
But after we collect this firewood, we'll go down to the banwalks.
Okay.
Yeah, where the pig there, and
The pig farm.
and we'll kill one pig there. Kill and use it, and cook it to wait for the family that comes in Yavusa. Sugar. That's their food we should provide. Pig. Eat pig. Today is pig day.
Oh,
Yeah.
and photo, today is cap day.
Please cap day.
Cap day?
Can see this is not mangroves, eh?
Oh, this is another.
Yeah, this is another. This is, we call it in Fijian. Dambi.
The dambi.
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 Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This is the dambi. Same as the
Mangrove.
mangroves. Hot. With fire. With fireless. Fireless nga yung S. Yeah. See. It's not the mangroves.
Oh, yeah, another tree.
Yeah. Another more.
Another more.
Okay. You see the buka? You see the firewood? Buka mandu. You see like this. You move close and see the difference. See. This is the good firewood for cooking. It's
It's dry.
it's dry and mandus.
Oh,
Yeah. And this is good for lobo.
oh.
Move closer, you see the difference. This one is dry. This one is a bit wet.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the difference. You can use the wet one for lobo, the dry one for cooking.
Oh.
This dry one, when it's wet, still you can use it when it's wet. Check.
Naka, brother.
Nakabarada.
Isa. And we're here with John King. John King, that's dry wood.
Yeah.
Bukamandu. Oh, good boy, good boy. So people, you see some new faces in the village. That's because it's school break, so some of the village kids that go to school in Suwa or other places, they come home for school break. And Here's one of them, William's brother, Foto. He is in form, and Foto is in form 3 because he repeated 5 times. And over here we have brother Josea, Bula. And back there we have Josese Kanai. So Josese, what are you looking for?
I'm looking for babu. I'm looking for a book. A book.
You're looking for a book?
Yeah.
No, what the...
Where the thing can put and fill your S.
Oi,
When
fill your
it
S.
swells.
Fill your S.
Your S swells.
No, but no bukamantus here, no
Yeah.
dry firewood.
No dry food.
Mm.
We use mango for... Mango fire is very unquenchable. Very hard to fire and cook.
It's good, eh?
Yeah.
It's good like your S, eh?
The S you can say every time you...
Yeah, that's good S. He has a good S.
No, you comb your...
Bad S,
Ooh, Kava S. Oi,
That's me no choices in the village.
Kava S. So says a Kava S.
S yung
You found some dry firewood.
Yeah, I found someone.
Oi.
You have already saw one.
Oh, so you embarrassed, man. You late. Too much grog, eh? Too much grog and too much S.
Just a cap.
This boy is standing and we cut.
Cut TV.
Yeah,
You
cut
take
TV.
this. You take. Make cut TV.
Go. Oh, knife, fuck a knife. Good.
Hey, man. Good job, success. This guy everyday grog. We call him the chief.
Nakakum.
Good job.
Alam kinambong ko tamdan taban bukol yun. Kalabot ka lang bukol talaga boy. Nasa bukol tamo ko din. Taban non damdan. Sorry. No.
You carry that one?
This one.
Yeah, and that one.
Okay. You carry that one photo.
You come on the first.
Woo!
Hey, door. Sino mo buka? No. Because you Joshua. No. Because you chop.
You Joshua Leilai.
Oh, big. So big. So lay job.
Set. Set.
Maybe the things is good.
Thank you. Now we go. Look at me.
Back to now.
We got some firewood for cooking now. Yeah. And tonight this guy will ndra.
You said that thing, you want rat.
We go.
Let's go, Ndra.
Ndra here. Okay, let's go back to the village.
Come look. You go first.
So,
Yeah.
Because you will come over there.
woo! Photo. No wonder why this guy repeat 5 times. Still in form 3.
Suli, kami pasang gabi. Kasi ka. Okay. Anak walk. Nah, walk. go, kill the pig.
Kamu naman mo mewawa.
Woi, pulang dengan itu kita engkau mangai sini.
We're back at the village. People just dropped the firewood, and now we're gonna slay a pig. I don't know if it's now or later, or we will have some tea first. I don't know, or maybe some mango.
Just big got mango.
Yeah, just.
You want food?
So people, we are now heading to where we're gonna slaughter the pig that we're gonna use for food for the guests that are arriving for our fundraising as a family. And here we are with the boys, some of the village boys. And I don't really know where the pig is at. But we will see.
Smoke this one, make another maybe.
Dan talikan melgot untuk ada bu.
Okay, we are beginning now. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Okay, we got it. We got it. We got it. We got it.
Sit down, you sit down.
Okay, okay. I'm okay. It's whew. I don't know what to say really.
Kill them.
But they're gonna kill it right here.
Yeah.
I guess. Look. Okay, I'm gonna go up to the ocean with. You're gonna kill it here, Josh. They're gonna wash it. Oh, I don't know. I don't really know what to think about this. Whew, it's hard for me to see, watch.
Kill them.
Okay, I think this is a spot. This is a spot. Oh Lord. Okay, people, they are gonna drown the pig. They're drowning the pig. Oh Lord. It's not a. Whoa, bro. It's not a nice sight, eh? Not a very. I don't know how to explain it, but the pig is struggling and is fighting for its life, and now it doesn't.
Now
move.
it's mati.
And now it's mate. That's my brother Jacob said it's mate, it's dead. Yeah, you can see now it's dead. Yes, Api. May the pig's soul rest in peace.
That's high, bro.
Gurga.
Oh Lord.
Ah, quando eu tinha nem do coco.
Last breath. Nice last breath. See the abuso.
Yeah, that's
Like Mariana.
that's how you kill a pig in the village, I guess.
After that, we cut here.
Look there, na kiso sape. Whoa!
You cut there.
Yeah.
Because
Another root, another root.
Root. Oi.
Yeah. The root. Bring out.
Oh, you bring out the throat.
Yes. Yeah. And after that, and we
oh, that
yeah,
was so.
eat it.
After that, you eat the throat.
Yes.
Oh Lord.
See the blood.
That's a lot of
The
blood.
blood, the sack will come in it.
Eat the ash.
Ew.
Oh Lord, this is next level shit. Ooh.
Tunggu, tu nara, saya dorot. Cuma kenteng teng. Kun musuh, kun rata dengan kun musuh. Ya kamu tu.
Oh. Photo, can you show us the throat?
See the throat. See the learners.
This is the throat.
You see then eat
Eat it.
Yes.
Okay. So you what? Fry it?
Tabu.
Fried
Tabu.
or tabu.
You
Bury it. Okay. And you can see all the blood here. Holy moly!
so whatever.
It's over, yes.
It's finished.
It's finished.
Oh, tabu ngayon.
Okay, they are discussing what to do with the pig.
Big asshole.
Yes, the pig has a big asshole.
After that, stop coming.
Woo!
Drink. So yeah.
Hey!
Ando ah.
And this is the lady, girl, female pig.
Yes. No, this is the male. Male.
Huh?
You see the thing?
The thing.
See the screw and reproductive system.
Oh, I thought it was a female.
Female nga you.
Female nga you. Oh, so now you're gonna
Yes.
cut it open.
The male you start cut this and two marble at the
Oh,
back.
two marble at the back.
Yes. Photos
Do you-
marble. That marble. Photos marble. Yes.
But too late.
And you eat the marbles too, the sorcery.
No.
Just photo.
Photo. Oh, yeah, so for photo.
Yes, photo.
Oi.
What is the
Photo you,
Photo's
I
your
mean.
favorite.
yes favorite food? They don't eat the lemons. They eat the guanas and the
Oi.
Dr. Fong. Dr. Fong. Dr. Fufure.
So you guys are gonna take the intestines out
Yes,
now.
we'll take them body first. Body first.
Oi.
If they melee.
Oi, that's some body food first.
Yeah.
And then you give it to Joshua.
Give no, no, Joshua. Joshua
Oh, it's
know
Joshua.
what to do.
Oi, his favorite. His favorite part of the pig. Eh?
Big yes.
Rasi nuga na turiu, nuga na matambok.
Kung ano ba na sin?
Yo yo.
Andre.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Photo like it. Andre. See the screw. Ano body mo?
You know, that's the cap.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's the pig cap.
Long cap here.
Oi.
For Joshua. No. Joshua. Terus mandan.
Kava
Tali yung indratan wang no, indratan wala kalawang. Yung kita watsa na kulin. Kulin na asa na kambas. Indratan ba? Karon ng boy nan turo.
Oh, nanturo talang ikan.
Dedo, photo will eat. One photo eat. You know that? Yes.
Ngapa ngapa? Oh, the pig.
Ngorin dre sangan minta buka. Dre. Gor.
The
The Taurus. Photos.
Photos. That's why you want to cut it.
They do it properly because after that they're gonna eat it.
Oi.
Yes.
Thank you, photo. After this, you're gonna show us how to eat it.
Oh, big.
Big, eh?
Chubby.
Oh, yeah, that's a
Big one.
good enough for photo.
Yes.
Good enough for photo.
One nga mama photo eh.
This is to say this is the Vakalevu people they
Oi, the tau, the tau.
that's how
Tau.
they eat it. After they have small balls they use they got one from the pig and eat it first to make it.
When they get too much grog, the next morning they go and eat the. Oi. Oi, man, no wonder Vakalevu is crazy.
Yes, very crazy.
Eh?
Very
Very crazy.
Yeah.
crispy.
Because they
Crazy.
eat balls.
They eat balls.
Balls.
Oi,
Big balls.
big balls.
Man balls. Selungguh
What the?
kanan.
Oh my god. We cut down the gutters.
We are intestines.
Seeing other thing that inside the intestine.
That's sausage.
Like the human intestine.
Oi,
That's sausage.
But the different human not screw like the pig.
oi.
Dre foto. Tangan dre kami texture.
Dasar memang.
Look at my
We do it like that.
In the village.
Yes.
Oh, strong.
Something that up there that hold all the intestine.
Oi.
Oh, the liver.
Di ba kayo careful the amburay si
Dre texture ni kamdro.
Careful the amburay.
Hey.
How's it, bro?
This thing will come out all part of the pig will ngang.
Oi,
And that
we don't want that.
yes.
Oi, which one? This one?
This one.
Oi.
It is the liver.
That's attached to the liver. Oh.
Yes.
This one the liver and this one the bladder.
And which one?
In Fijian this is the amburay.
Oi.
When this thing is kambate, all part of the pig will nang. And then
We can't eat it.
yeah.
And which one do we eat? The curry taka.
Yeah, this one
is
sarang.
good to eat, eh? This one.
This one
This one
sarang
is
we
good
eat
for
it.
toast, yeah?
No. This one is good for photo. Eh?
Okay, which one is that do we usually do the curry and
This one.
Oi, only this one, not that one.
This one too.
Oi.
The liver, the lungs, and the heart. The heart, liver.
For you,
lungs.
the balls. Eh?
Yeah, for this one, the balls.
the balls?
All good now.
All good.
Now we need to wash it.
No, spring. See the blood. See the blood. Oh, that's a already come. Take the blood.
Okay, people. Now they're finished taking out the intestines from the pig, and now we are going back to the village. The two boys, Api and Kuli, they have taken the pig up to the village, and we are on our way to the village, the rest of us. So let's see what they're gonna do next. They were talking about they will soak it in warm water and then for it to make the skin soft so they can pull the hair out, or make the hair soft to pull the hair out, something like that. Let's go. How's the balls?
Oh, wait. Let's see, taste the balls, eh?
Oh, balls is hot. You like hot balls? You like hot balls?
No, just like the hot, eh?
No, you like the balls.
Oh, that's the throat. Good. Oh.
Taste.
This man.
Yeah.
You just bite it.
Taste.
Rosana. Okay.
We're gonna taste this throat, pig throat.
But this.
Fresh.
Luar.
Fresh.
Mental. Okay.
Let's store him.
Toro.
Fresh.
Number one.
And you can definitely taste it's been cooked over fire. Not bad. And they've added in hot water.
Wait.
But now they're gonna pull off the skin.
Navuti.
Navuti.
To pull out
The hair.
the hair. I have the skin.
What is it?
Soqo.
Still hot. Still hot.
Still had day. Coklat na monitor ni numuta. Coba tolong. Monitor monitor.
That's nice.
Nice shot. Wih, kasih.
And after you have shaved off all the hair, what you gonna do for it?
We cut it.
Cut it?
Yeah, we cut and we cook.
Oh, wait. So what's on the menu today? Do you know?
Curry, chop suey,
And for you, and for you, balls.
no balls for Foto and Jekobe. Ball for you. No ball.
So now Foto has shaved off all the hair, almost all the hair of the pig, and now we're gonna soak the pig in hot water again, and then what?
Then we shave again.
Shave again. We shave it 2 times to make sure everything is off.
Clean it.
Clean shave.
Yeah.
You can see the pig in there. Vinaka Foto. This guy is a very dangerous guy.
Arore.
Very dangerous in Nosur. Look out for him. No. It's true. After he come home to the village, rumors went around. 10 girls bukete from Nosur.
We wait for 3 minutes. After that, we save.
Okay. Vinaka Foto. Vinaka Kuku and your Nji. And now Jekobe is giving a helping hand. Now there are 2 to make the job faster. So Foto is going to sharpen the machete now, because he's gonna cut up the cut up the pig now, to small pieces. Hey, you, to small pieces.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And his favorite part of the pig, he's gonna show us how to eat after this.
Okay, this is how we cut a pig.
Oh.
Fucking bastard.
Hey.
One. Kuy. Sama teman-teman andram. Andram mau bulungan.
Tapi kenal ini.
Soba nih. Lo kok tolong apa gua soba? Kamu taruh nasi. Taruh juga bos dan kinta.
So you cut off the legs first.
Yeah. After that, then chop the ribs.
Oh. And this is enough to feed all the people that are coming to the guest.
Yes.
Huh?
This pig is enough to feed all the
Yeah.
people that are coming to.
Some eat
If not, they will eat
Not-
yang gonna. Or
it
it cost.
grog. If not eat food, eat grog.
Oi.
It cost, huh?
So this Tapalango, he will not eat the pig, but the cost, the grog.
No.
Thank you, Foto. More food for us because you'll eat the costa. Thank you.
Only will eat
Pull that. This one.
Oh man, you guys are good.
Don't lie.
No, it's true.
Don't catch.
Hey, no buckets
You buy lemon under this yabana.
Woo! And after this, where is it gonna go? The meats that you have.
Huh?
After this, where is all this meat gonna go?
Go in the pot.
Go in the pot. Or will you cut it up to smaller pieces?
Wait. Let me pull
Pull your Serena.
your Vivi.
That's the head.
That's the head of the female tail.
Wait, so sama man lang kamu?
Terus ni kamu. Sebentar.
There you go.
You do this kind of work,
You be careful.
you should be careful.
Oi.
Because Papa is working over there.
Otherwise you cut yourself.
Oi. You have to watch out.
Yourself cut. So this kind of work is given to
Most important people.
most important people.
Like this tamale.
Kumim.
No. No.
Kum your tawali. So brother.
Well,
What else?
what else? The ribs.
Cut
Oi.
cross.
Cut cross.
Cross.
Cut cross 1,000 from London.
About we open that thing. You go this side. You come this side.
Me? Wait, no. Or open.
Drag na sa numbers.
Wait. You cut nga lang this.
Dollar man.
$1.
Dollar photo. You listen to my brother. Kerker.
You kum your brother.
Tos niya mo.
Woo!
Tos niya mo. Nakatakan niyo yun.
That's how we cut.
Yes.
Village style, sir.
You open first
When you open it up first.
before you select the ribs into pieces.
Okay.
So, sa pamantalan ramah itu.
Takata kami ribs.
Wibuki.
Yeah, you see? Finish.
Ready to be.
Hey, cut. Cut.
Chod.
You see the easy way to do this?
Tato.
Wait.
Manjel.
After that, once you cut it into pieces.
Oh, like that.
Tosilu, kau cikilu. Tosilu, gor.
And where is all this meat gonna go? Like the girls will, the women will
Yeah,
cut it into
yeah.
smaller pieces.
All we have to do is clean it up, clean up, and cut it into big pieces like this. Then give it to them,
Okay.
and they'll
They'll do the cooking and
do what they'll cut it into chop suey or they'll do that.
oh, yeah.
All you have to do, you have to cut like this and give it to them. What balls? Come balls. I'm working to sana musuh keras.
Dia daw cengkol ganito. Zangun si. Gusel libi. Kulo gusel. Oh, mito tu memang mo.
Finish, bro.
Finish.
All the big pieces here. Oh, one more. Another more.
Another more.
Woi, nih.
Good masih dia.
Iya.
Kau singgah kata di sini tu bab. Nunggu. Iyo. Tengok mur.
Wow, look at this.
Hi.
Puro.
Hey.
That girl is very nice.
The Indian woman in the.
Is that?
That's the Indian woman in the Fijian village.
Oi.
Yeah.
When she was born, she got swapped
Yeah.
wrong.
Wrong. His mother take her wrong from the hospital.
Oi. But we love her anyway.
We love her because she's an Indian woman living in the Fijian village. Kumiskep. Said brother,
Sad brother. Naka brother.
job done.
Naka brother kuli. Isa. Job's done.
Nam job ngorek ko.
Update here. Where are you going to Po? Where are you going to Po? Update here, update here. So here we have, oh, baby with the sea cucumber. Her favorite dish to make. And you can see here, sea cucumber is a delicacy in this village. And that is
This
the
one for
tiger
Ure,
fish.
this
Oh,
for
no,
Ure.
that's for you. And this is tiger fish, I think, and this is a delicacy here in the village. And actually, when my friend came to visit in November, he actually tried it, and I said, "This is a delicacy. You have to try it." We were in Suva, and we got tiger fish. I think it's called tiger fish. And then he said, "No, you taste it first." And me, ooh, I have a hard time eating sea cucumber, even though it's a delicacy in my village. So I tried just because I wanted him to taste it. But some people like it, love it, but I don't, to be honest. And I think my friend saw it firsthand. So here we have society sausage, and here we have the pot that will go together. No, I don't know what's the funny, but I don't know. And here we have the kids, brother Kuli, coming with the potatoes. Oh, and Josh Wanga over there. Also with the potatoes. And here we have the lovely Purini Queen. Wow, just wow, look at that. And she's gonna make Purini again for us. Thank you for your Purini. Thank you. Nice, not mong Purini to po nice. And yeah, people, that's some of the menu. The pig, which the girls, they'll cut it up to smaller pieces. And then we have the sea cucumber, the tiger fish, and Williame will have ass tonight. And chop suey. Chop suey. Let's check in here. What else for the fun racing? Fundraising. What is that, Mom? My mom is still here. I don't know why, but Mom, what are you doing? That is for what?
Onions for curry.
Curry again.
Aye.
Yeah, make that.
What's this? Pork curry.
Pork curry.
Pork chop suey.
Chopstick.
Wait.
Stew.
Stew.
Yeah, that's all.
That's all. Okay, thank you, Mom. Thank you, Nalo, for being here with us today. Thank you. This is Kuku getting ready to. This one? Oh, this one lobo. Oh, Vinaka Kuku. This one lobo. Vinaka Kuku. So, in this pot, Suli is adding in the onions. For the what, Suli?
Stew.
For the stew. Stew sausage. You can see the sausage is here. And what is that?
Ginger.
Ginger. In with the ginger.
Ginger bread.
Ginger. This guy loves ginger. Aye. Smells good. You can really smell the aroma that are coming out of the ingredients that have been poured into the pot. Smells really nice. And now
Garlic.
garlic. Hi, hi. So we have added in the garlic to the garlic.
Garlic.
The garlic.
Onion.
And now it's time for the sausage to go in. Stew sausage. Ooh, that's good. Smells good. Hurry up, man. Hurry up.
That's
This guy is very professional when it comes to sausage. Look how he loves. He loves sausage. This guy loves sausage and that guy too over there.
Love sauce.
Okay, adding in. Now the what? The soy sauce. Soy sauce. I like your big spoon that you use to stir things up. Wow, and the color looks nice now. And the color looks nice. It looks good. More?
Mo ang dami to ya.
I'm looking forward to taste this
Oh.
stew. Sausage stew. Time to add in some salt.
Salt. Salt.
Salt. Plenty of salt. Fijian love salt.
Niko amerna durmasi mungkin kanyan kakan.
Yeah, nice. If you want to be strong in grog, you have to eat a lot of salt. True story.
Sugar.
He's back, head chef. Head chef, come and go as you please. It's a good flavor. Good. Taste manda boy. You taste manda your sausage. Worry that big one there. Taste it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Else. Come and love it. Okay, this one is finished. Timothy's favorite dish. Soup sausage. Stew. Oh, it's stew. Stew sausage. Now stew sausage is finished. Thank you, Els. Looks good, eh? Taste.
Jim, man. Chef Jim.
Just taste the sausage.
Sausage?
Just take with your hand.
I can take. Ah, Bangori. You, Dad, man. God.
Whoa. Hot.
Very hot. Good. Good, man.
Good, good,
Good.
good.
Good, Jim.
Good, Jim. Thank you, Chef Jim. Hi.
Hi.
Thank you for your sausage, Chef Jim. Thank you.
Thank you for your sausage, Jim.
Jim, tastes good, eh? The sausage.
Jim, sausage.
Jim sausage. Oh, brother. Very good. Jim sausage. The best. You tell us what you're gonna cook.
Okay, I'll cook chili pork.
Chili pork. This is my auntie, big auntie Nunia. My mom's big sister. She's gonna cook chili pork for us. Looks good already. And now they're adding in the flour. Suli. Flour to make the stew more thick. Timothy, Chef Jim, look out for your sausage, Chef Jim. Jimmy. And you can see the stew is becoming thicker. And that's what we are looking for. Okay, now Lebu, you've added in the carrot. Wow. Carrot. And after that, sea cucumber. It looks good already. Taste, taste. Taste manda. What? Oh, good, good. Taste manda. It's good. I like the flavor of the pork. I think this is gonna be turn out to be a really good dish. This is the Rancini and her noodle. She wants to pour in the noodle to the stew. And thank you, Ranjini, for helping us today.
Thank you.
Hey, hey. No, not that one. So the noodle will be added into the stew. Wow, it begins to look really, really good. And Emily will now cook her pot. Oi, you used to cook a lot of curry pot. A lot of pot. Oi, this is the pot queen and pot princess to that. The family of pots. Rasa, onions.
Mana sel?
Oi,
Kami chicken.
Oi. Onion, what more are you gonna add in?
Onion, garlic.
What's that, mustard? Mustard, we have added in mustard. And now onions are on the way. Wow. Total garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic. What more? Emily, what more?
Garlic.
Yeah, just pour it all the garlic. Sorry, and the plastic too.
Plastic bag.
Curry.
Curry.
Oi. You pour in the curry first before you pour in the meat?
Yes.
Okay.
Wanna masih mah food flavor.
Jim, mash him. It's the mash him.
Wow. Stir, Emily, stir. You're really good at stirring the pot.
That's the number one job.
Number one time to stir the pot. Alright.
She's smart to.
My sister, she's really
She's smart to
talented. Eh?
dirty the pot and clean the pot again.
Oi. Emily. Yeah, why not? Well, like a small. Add some water.
Right.
Wow, your curry looks good in your pot, Emily.
I bring the pot. Bring the pot. Bring the pot.
Bring the pork.
Yeah, pork. Yes.
Yo, no more. They go bring the pork. Yeah,
This is the pork.
pork.
Yeah. The what? Pork.
You love the pork? Wow, the pork in Emily's pot. Thank you, Emily.
Stir. Stir.
Vana is stirring the pork.
Stir, stir. Wow,
Nice.
and the pork is starting to change color. Looks good. Nice. Nice na pork in Emily's pot. Nice. Thank you, Emily.
Here's the lid of the pot. Emily.
We don't have a lid to this pot, so we are going to plan B. Plan B. Look. Look.
You double the lid.
Village style, eh? Plan B. Oh, look at this. Man, it smells good. I'm really looking forward to taste this dish when it's finished. Sugar?
No.
Salt. Senga, solta ao máximo, chiqueiro. Ao máximo.
Vale. Tio, Sibini. Outro também vale só. Na máxima. Vai ser só tu. Tu boleh makan bang? Oi.
Taste. Taste, Suli.
Malum.
Eh?
Tu bon valem. Na boleh kote balik. Set. Belum.
But more salt, eh? It tastes good, but it needs more salt. How is it, my sister?
Bring some chili. Masim.
Salt
Masim.
for the whole thing in Nalib. And here is our family from Lebuka that is coming to the function too, and they're helping with the cooking. Better?
Set.
Set. Looks really good.
Put some tomato sauce, eh?
Oh, this is a tomato sauce. Tomato sauce. And where did Talib, where did you learn to make this dish from? From Talib?
No.
You taught yourself?
From boarding school.
A woman with a very few words.
Malia.
Oh, Sele. Yes, tomato sauce. Now we just need the chili sauce.
Masim.
More masims.
Flavor.
Flavor. Chili.
That's not. Can you barbecue chili?
Huh? Oi.
Barbecue sauce.
Flavor.
Urini.
Turini kid.
Okay, now. Taste manga. Say more salt.
Taste. Let me taste.
Only taste the water.
Yeah. Set.
Just
Just some water.
no
Sprite.
Sprite for the
It's fresh. It's in the
Oi.
make it tasty, eh?
For the Sprite. I will... Never tried that before. Well, maybe it's good. Let's see.
Make
Okay,
it
Sprite.
taste.
Oh, the Sprite gives it taste.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, wait.
Good.
Taste.
Taste my taste tali. Hey, taste mandai. Taste. Very sweet. Woo! Some more. Some more Sprite. Well, I just tasted it. It tasted good. But I've never tried adding Sprite in a dish. But it's good. It's good.
Okay, nice.
Nice.
Taste
Nice.
good.
Tastes good. It's the final taste.
Final taste.
Final taste. Final taste. Final taste by my auntie. Okay. Yeah, you can definitely taste the Sprite, and it's sweet too.
Nice.
Good. Thank you, Nalebu, for your cooking method. Now the world will see this dish. Okay.
Okay.
New dish, adding in the Sprite. Well, it tasted good, to be honest, but you can definitely taste the Sprite in there. Hey, gotta taste new cuisine, you know? You can taste. Taste, Emily, you can taste.
Taste. Apa mo iko?
Yes, sir. Okay, taste. Kartu. Up to you. It's really good curry.
Main bala pateta.
Now time for the potatoes to go in. Oh.
Kaya masih Maura?
Kasi na
Sete.
curry.
Nasi nai.
I like your curry pot. Emily. This lady is #1 in Lebu Kawalau.
Hai, the beach.
Cooking curry. How is it, my sister? Good? Yeah. Emily's pot, the best. Look at that. Like Emily. And that's it, people. That's for the chicken curry. They're just waiting for the potatoes to be fully cooked, and then they can take it off. And I need to go from the cooking team because the boys have been calling me to come and grog. But I really need to go and sleep for a bit because I've been grogging yesterday. And I've been up early this morning, so I just want some rest. Yo, yo, yo. Bula people, I'm back after I had some few hours of rest. And now we are going up to the fundraising, to the community hall where they have the fundraising. And the time is almost 6 o'clock. So I'm here with my mom and my auntie-law here in front in the red dress, and we are going to give our donation to the fundraising so we can go to the family matters such as funerals of other family functions like that. Then we have some money in the bank in order to do stuff for the functions. So people, we are now arriving at the community hall. I have my function set, my function party dress, if you can call it, my shirt, I don't know if it's a Bula shirt, and then my let me see here, my sulu watang. And now we are on the way to get into the entrance of the community hall. Thank you. So people, you can hear the music is going on inside there, and that is the community hall. You can hear the singing ring, as they call it, in there. So now we are just waiting for my auntie and my mom right there. When you're in Fiji, it's you have to be prepared for Fiji time, especially with my mom and my auntie. You have to be patient with Fiji time. Okay, we are now entering. Okay, I'm about to go and give my donations. We're here with Konongoni. So he's been here for quite a while. I had to wait for my mom to get ready before we came together. She's always late. But yeah, people, that's it. For fundraising. It's a big event sometimes when all the families they come, and extended families too. And then we sit together and drink grog, and just enjoying each other's company. Say soqo Bula, soqo. Thank you, Foto. Thank you. So people, this is what they do. They drink kava and have fun. Okay?
Yes. Have fun here in Navuti, Motoriki. Lomai Biki.
And what you see here is the biggest grog faka in
4
Navuti.
hours of work fuck not now.
Yeah. People, I can feel that my tavalis, my cousins, they are bringing me constantly big bowls because they said I came in late, so now I have to pay. Thank you so much, my cousins, for that kind of gesture. How old are you, bro? How old are you? Look. My cousin brother. Last thing you want to do when you're crocked is having girls asking you to come up and dance. You don't want to move or dance when you're crocked, believe me.